Welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Hey friends, and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's take a look at some creative ways to cover the base of your tree. This is not a long video, it's a pretty short one, but I feel like some of the images that we are going to see are pretty creative. Of course, you see the tree skirt there, which is I think how most of us cover the bases of our tree, but you're going to see buckets. You are going to see my cats in the background. You're going to see tree cuffs like this one. You're just going to see all types of different creative ways. Some of them you may not have thought of. So I hope you stick around for this video and get some inspiration for it. As always, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Alrighty friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you want to see more, check one of these right here. Also, let me know down below in the comment section if there's a certain video that you'd like to see. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye friends.